Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you a few ways how we can make money with Samcart. First, I'm not paid by Samcart or promoted, and the second thing is that when you see on the thumbnail that you can make hundreds of dollars a day from Samcart, yes you can, but it's not going to be possible in 1 month, or I would say even in 2 months. It's going to take time. Like first, I'm going to share you my story, how I work with YouTube, and also what is my entrepreneurship story and how I earn like 10-15K a month and how long did it actually took me. And then I'm going to show you the way how we can also work with the Samcart. So when I was starting out, I didn't make any money for the first 2.5 years. 2.5 years that I was also employee, and then I started creating videos and I didn't get traction. I was working, and after 2.5 years, I was earning 10, 20, 30 bucks a day. And slowly it was increasing. And right now I'm on a point that I earn 10 to 15K a month. And then I decided, okay, I'm going to create a course so I can teach people what I learned in my journey for 4 years on YouTube with the 6 channels and more than 4,000 videos uploaded. And this is what I always tell, that when I make these videos, when I make also video for Samcart, this is the most important thing, that yes, it's possible to succeed, but you need to think from the 5-10 years long-term vision, but execute hardcore. And this is the first thing. Have an expertise in what you do and then start selling courses. Many times I see that people are selling courses for the sake of selling courses and they don't really understand they need to provide some kind of value, and then they're like, okay, why it's not working? And why it's not effective. So my recommendation is like, okay, in what way you are what you think expert in your field? Are you good in your field? You don't even need to be expert. You just have to be good in it. And you need to find a way how you can sell yourself. These are the two most important things in my opinion. So like, okay, I had plenty of consultations. People asked me for courses, then I start making it. And people are like, okay, thank you very much. Now I can just buy a course. We don't need to have consultation, which is going to be much more expensive than cost of the course that I have. And then it's going to work really well, and it's working well. So this is my first thing. And first advice, have an expertise in something. When you have expertise, now you need to focus on how you can, where you can actually find your potential customers, potential clients. So let me show you. When you come here with a Samcart, okay, then you can double your course sales. Seriously, how we can work with it. My recommendation is also okay, YouTube videos and blogs are the best in my opinion, only because you can have it as evergreen content. What does it mean is, let's say that I would be creating video how to grow on YouTube. It can be really popular 2-3 years from now. On the other hand, like creating some kind of content on Instagram or TikTok or Snapchat, I need to constantly create content. So this is something that I don't really like about these platforms, but they are really great for instant customers that you can get for when you're gonna have community. So just write down all your potential traffic that you can get from, like all the social medias and also like blogs and I don't know, and write to which you want to invest your time with. The biggest mistake that I see people are doing, that they are investing time to literally everything, and they don't really create nothing. So I do only YouTube, and I invest only on YouTube. I don't do any Instagram at all. If someone would ask me to help me with Instagram, I would say I don't know how it works. Even with Facebook ads, I don't know. I'm going to pay someone to do it for me, and this is something you should do too. Just focus on one thing and be good at it. Like let's say that you would want to create a YouTube video, you would just check out my courses down below, then you would test it out by yourself, learn it, master it, and then you can sell your own courses. Or what you want to do, if you want, you can also write blogs and write posts for your blog about the service you offer, and that's how you're gonna get traction. Or what you can do is to create your own brand name in Facebook groups, communities, in Clubhouse, or even in TikTok if your target audience are kids. So that's something you should definitely do, and that's something that is really, really effective. A Samcart can help you really well with how you can upsell, also how you can create amazing website. So that's like good. Now you can also create and sell physical products. I won't really go to the physical products. If you want, I can create a video about it. What I recommend is just like going with an ebook for free, and then have a funnel for which you're gonna have like target them with a video coaching program. And then you have like also monthly memberships here. And now like Adrien is here too with her yoga. So that's really great. But what you can do also is, oh, this is what I wanted to show you, is that you can actually connect it. If you're using different one, you can connect Samcart to your current course delivery platform or use build, secure. So that's another thing that you can achieve, and what you can achieve with the Samcart. So this is the first way how we can make money, and how I recommend for you to make money is to actually create courses and sell them if you're think that you're good with the course. And then the second way is that you can actually have an affiliate with the Samcart. Is that what I really like is that all your commissions are recurring year after year. That if you're gonna have already the client with you, or the referral, you're gonna always earn money, like when they are going to have the product or the service using by Samcart. So that's another way. And what you can do is to simply come here and Samcart review, or how to use Samcart. See, these are the ways how you can do it, like sell your first digital product. And yep, so this is how you should do it. Personally, I use Podia right now, but I'm really thinking about like in the future that I would use different tools. But Samcart works really similar to other platforms, and that's pretty much it. So if you're gonna have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. My recommendation is that do this. So when you would come here and when you start creating something or writing, first you need to do the action. I really like to use Paint. So you're gonna do the action: Facebook ad, create a course, write a blog, create a YouTube video. When you're gonna have action, then you're gonna have result. And when you're gonna have result, then what you need to do is to analyze the result. Let me show you. And then you need to do the action again. And this is what you need to do all the time. And that's how I succeeding and how I will succeed in the future. I just focus on action, then I'm going to have a result, then I'm going to analyze the result, and again I'm going for the action. No emotions, no romanticizing, oh my god, why it's happening. I just focus on just keeping going forward, right? So that's what you should do too, in my opinion. Always analyze, always think, always reflect who you were in the past, what kind of actions you created, but just don't stop. And that's what you can do. So I hope this video was at least kind of helpful, what you can achieve with the Samcart. If you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.